Okay, today we will see laptop adapter, how the laptop adapter works. See, this is a laptop adapter. It has one in, AC in. This is an AC connector, and here in the adapter there is a AC input. AC input. This is an AC in. From AC in, it make a DC. Here the indicators are there. See, you can see different indicators. These are the certificate what the company hasn't taken. We haven't given a notes about these certificates in detail. Electronic certified, C, RIGHT, UL, ASFI. These are the logos are there of the brand. We can see the current, how much watt it will be produced. So here is a voltage, output and input both voltage. See, you can see is here output and input. Sorry. See, here it is written 100 to 240 watt is the input of AC and 1.7 ampere, and output will be 18.5, 3.5 ampere. 18.5 with the 3.5 ampere is a DC output. The input 100 to 240. We are using in India, it is a 220, but in abroad it will be used a 110 for a AC inward. The input range will be this and output range will be 18.5 and 3.5 ampere. Its input and output has been indicated. We can check the output voltage. Ampere is depend, there is a different multimeters are there to measure the ampere, but we will show you only voltage, how to check the voltage. We will check first input of the AC. We have connected this cable on the plug. Okay, we have connected the plug on an AC adapter. Now we will check AC power. We will keep the multimeter on an AC power. See, to check the multimeter, we will put on AC, that is a 500 watt AC power is there. We will connect multimeter on that. Then we will connect plus and minus on the red probe and black probe. So the input of AC from the power cable is a 237 to 38 watt. AC is okay, so we will just check the AC is coming. Then we connect the cable to adapter. When we connect AC adapter on the cable, then the adapter is okay. Now we will check the output of cable adapter, output is coming or not. For that we will put the multimeter on DC function. We will check on DC 220 or 200. We can put 220 also if less than 20 watt is there, and we can keep on 200 DC watt. Now we will check multimeter, one probe outside and one probe inside. When we connect, it shows 18.6 watt, means the adapter is okay and voltage is coming. Okay, to check the multimeter we will connect black outside and red inside. It is also shown here black input and output. In some adapter it shows like this. You can see what is the inside. Inside is a red and outside is a black, minus, positive and negative. The adapter also indicate the plus and minus. Once again, if we check the reverse checking, then it will show the minus. See, we will connect the adapter connector and we put red outside and black inside. Then it will show in a multimeter minus position, means we have connected the probe as a wrong way. So it will show you minus 18.6 watt. So again, if we connect the right way, then it will show 18.6 plus, means normal, okay condition. Okay. So this adapter is okay, inside is plus and outside is minus. Now we connect this adapter on the laptop and check on the battery connector that adapter power is going inside the laptop or not. We were connecting the adapter in the laptop sockets. Then we will check on the battery connector, removing battery, and we will connect on the battery connector of a laptop about the voltage is coming or not. See, if first and last pin is a plus minus, but is a sensing voltage will be there, so the plus will not come. We will check on the middle of the pin. See, you can see the middle of the pin. There is a 3.4 watt. That is a sensing voltage. Sensor or temperature, two type of voltage will be coming. That is a 2.4 or 3.5. In between two pin will be there. If this voltage is coming, means you can understand the fuse, the main MOSFETs, and inside the charging ICs are okay and battery getting a power. When we connect the battery, then only the main plus voltage will be there. The first and last is a plus minus. Between 2 or 3 pin there is a sensing. So plus voltage will come when we connect battery. Otherwise the output will not on. So it will not give the power outside. Okay.